Hello, I'm Daniel, and this is my Task 1 Meet and Greet Challenge. I'm Daniel, and this is my routine from Monday to Friday. I usually wake up at 8:30 a.m. Then I drink a glass of water, and then I sit on my bed and think about what I have to do during the day. I often write down my task and then I start workout. After that, I take a shower and brush my teeth and comb my hair. I put on my work clothes and go to work. This is the routine I followed most days. Sometimes I wake up more later or I do workout in the afternoon or don't have to work at all. My routine change every week. Some weeks I play piano, some days I play piano, and some days I play football, and some days I don't work out or I don't have to work. And every week my routine change. I usually go to bed at 11 or 12 p.m. every day. And this is my daily routine and my task one meet and greet challenge. Thank you.